Okay, we have a 2012 Impala LTZ, and we have the clicking noise that was happening. A lot of you people seen this or have this problem. It's the actual temperature heater door, thermostat actuator it's called, and what you want to do is find out which side is actually broken. You can tell this by which one of these indicators of hot and cold will make it click more. I found out that by moving my driver's side one, that was the one that was having the clicking problem. I've noticed people had problems with the passenger one. Each one is located in a different spot. The passenger side would be in the glove box. Basically, you're just gonna pull these parts down here and here, and this will actually swing down, and it's located right inside there. You'll find that on another video I've seen, but I was having a problem with the driver's side. I couldn't find out where that was located. Found out that it was over here underneath the dash. You had to remove a few plastic pins. I'm sure you guys see that there underneath the dash. Let's see if I can turn the light on here. Okay. So you remove a couple of these plastic pins here, get the clips out so you can get behind there, because the actuator is actually up in there. Okay, there's the actuator. It's got two screws. Each one is a kind of a really hard motherfucker to get out. You're gonna want your 5.5 socket, and what I basically did is I just used these two parts here, the extension from standard to smaller. Got that piece, and basically used a long ended wrench. It was pretty tough. Basically did a lot of it with my fingers. It was not going to say that it was easy. There's also a clip on there that will actually connect to it. This is actual old part, and the clip is right here. It has a little hanger right there that you're gonna have to lift up with a flathead. It's kind of just like the passenger side one. Basically what you want to do when you are installing it is adjust these temperature gauges. When you plug it in, you're going to want to move this to about the medium setting. That spins this, and while it's spinning, you kind of just want to try to slide it onto the nipple that's inside of the dash. It's not very easy. There's also a little pin here with a nipple that wants to cradle this whole mechanism. There's only two screws that actually go in it. Each one with the screw hole is kind of indicated. Let's see if I can see this. With a little cutout there and there. This one is not, don't have the clearest camera, but just so you can get the idea, it's supposed to sit in there like this, and a screw here and here to hold it in. Kind of took me about a half hour. I had to take some breaks. It was very crucial. Getting into that little tiny hole was not easy, as she would say. So I wish everybody luck, and try to keep this video short. Let me know if you like it.